Hey friends, if you wish to disable startup programs in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures and I will stick to 3 procedures because other websites and channels have listed like 11, 12, some even more than that. But why go for the tougher methods like through the command prompt or the PowerShell window even when it is totally unnecessary? So simply right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and then select startup. These are all the apps which are going to be active on startup. Let's say that you wish to disable something. Let's say you wish to disable Vanguard train notifications, then you can simply turn off the switch. Easiest method. If not, then search for task manager in the Windows search bar and there is a startups tab on the list on the left hand side. Now click on status so that it gets arranged in the this thing of status. And let's say, okay, this one was enabled because I don't want to disable anyone. Let's say this one was enabled. So right click on it and then select disable to disable it from startup. And the last is obviously clean boot, but clean boot has way more functions than merely disabling startup programs. Let me show you. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, click on apply, then on OK, and finally restart your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.